Okay, I'm in the lobby of the Merlot.
All right, Abe. Let's do it.
I'm hacking in.
Look at that. Secrets and lies floating in a cloud of data. I just reach out, pluck it from the sky, and it's mine.
It's ours. Stay focused. We got a nasty security system. How much we got?
100 grand in 30 seconds. God bless the rich and famous. We are the modern-day magicians, siphoning bank accounts out of thin air.
Do you hear yourself? What was that?
Hello. I think someone else is hacking in. Let's take a peek.
Let's not.
Stick to the plan, Damien.
Siphon the accounts and get out.
Adventure, my boy. Have faith in your mentor. Something triggered that alarm. Let's find it.
Shit. It's scanning the system.
I'm almost there.
I'm shutting down now.
Don't you touch a thing. What the hell is that?
We need to abort.
We are not done. Help me.
Damien, it's over. I'm disconnecting.
Aiden!
Maurice,
Yeah?
you're on. One of our contractors ran a search for the hackers in the Merlot job. You're assigned Aiden Pierce. Take him out. Hit the family if you need to. This guy's hacking days are done.
Hit the family?
Got a problem?
Nope. I'll scare him good. You'll never hear from him again.
You gotta believe me, man.
Who gave the order?
I told you. I don't know.
You don't know.
Hit the family?
Got a problem?
Nope. I'll scare him good. You'll never hear from him again.
So what do you think, Maurice?
Did you scare me? It was a job, man. I didn't know.
Who was on the other end of the call? Give me a name.
They never gave me a name.
Yeah, I'll tell you her name.
Oh.
Lena. Lena Pierce.
I didn't know about any kids, all right? That wasn't supposed to happen.
I want you to think very carefully. Think.
Look, man. Even if I knew a name, you couldn't get me talking. These guys... I heard stories, man, that like nothing you ever seen before. You gotta walk away from this, man.
Some things you can't walk away
Please!
from.
Please!
Who gave the order?
I spoke to them on the phone. They told me where to find you. That's all I know, man. That's all I know.
Give me a name.
I don't know!
A name!
Kill me, man. Just fucking kill me.
Ooh, I gotta change that. Joking? No. Inverted the wrong axis. There we go. Shoot him in the foot.
How's your memory now? Maurice won't talk to me, but I bet he talked to you.
What in the world is that? Online off. Is disabled by default. So what is that? Why is that spinning thing over there in the corner? Alright, press.
I can't keep running. I can't do it. That fucking Aiden Pierce. I killed his niece. He won't stop chasing me. Who is this guy? What am I gonna do? He keeps coming.
I need to keep moving.
Oh, snap. Shoot those. I got an empty gun. What else is in here? Anything good? Oh, we need to get that look. It's a little better. Anything good in here? $602. Nice haul. Oh, here's some too. Meds. Oh, we need that later.
Yo, Maurice! Yo, what's shaking, motherfucker?
Where the hell you been?
What?
He's talking to me. I leave you for 2 minutes.
Give me my bullets.
I tossed him. What? You said you'd kill him otherwise.
I told you to hold on to them, Jordy. Where you been, anyway?
I had to make a call. And you get what you need from Maurice? Oh, you're kidding me.
Let's clean this mess up. Stop admiring your work.
Hey, that's cute and all, but I'm disappointed, Pierce. I mean, you failed to spot the nasty inter-gang drama I'm creating here.
I don't like loose ends. Let's get him out of here.
No, too late. Bottom of the 8th. Chicago's ahead. Game's almost over. We are out of time. Nice shot. Huh.
Beneath a baseball stand.
You're not just a little interested in my phone call.
All right, fine. Tell me about your phone call.
Glad you asked. Okay, we got a bunch of dead bodies, right? We got 40,000 people above us. We need a distraction. I called the cops.
You didn't.
Oh, yeah, true story. So, cops arrive, and Maurice's little band of brothers arrive, and pow, 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 pow.
Jordy, tell me you're joking.
No, I called them too. Look, we get a messy altercation at the end of the game. You and I slip away undetected. You'll appreciate the plan tomorrow.
Great. Punctual cops. I'm gonna handle these guys. You grab Maurice, get him out of here.
Maurice, what do I look like, a chauffeur?
He's the shooter. I'm not through with him yet.
Dick.
Chicago police, if there's anybody in here, identify yourselves.
I got another corpse. Another person.
Victimless crime, then. Why'd they have to pick the biggest game of the season to pull this shit? Trying to ruin it for everybody?
Clive, we've got 2 bodies in the basement of May Stadium. Gangbangers.
Copy. We're sending forensics. Secure your position for now. We're sweeping each level of the stadium.
All right. Doesn't look right to me. Why are they killing each other? And why here, of all places? Looks like a gang hit. Wait, you think it's the vigilante? Does feel like his brand of justice, don't it? What I wouldn't give to get my hands on that piece of shit.
Gotta move.
Rogers opposed now by Jorge Sonova, who ended with an outstanding 15-7 record last season. We're watching an epic confrontation between two old rivals here today, and this game couldn't be any closer.
We're good.
Big base steals on this team with 27 steals this series, but Sonova's watching them like a hawk. That's a pitch and a hit, and it looks like, yeah, that's a foul ball. Rogers not falling for that one. Both men, of course, experts at the mind game. 2 on, 2 out, folks. Something's gonna give soon.
Looks like it unlocks from the other side.
Sonova pitches. That's a big hit.
Oh, we're jumping cameras. Okay. Jumping cameras. Let's follow the...
See anything? Nope. Quiet here.
You've got a known viceroy in the VIP lounge. We're gonna check him out.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'm coming up.
Slow down there, Speed.
Oh.
We need you down there.
There it is.
So we don't get any surprises.
All right.
Unfavorable performance review. March is an annual police parade. Snap. What this guy? What's he do? Oh, he's a newlywed, 39 years old. Alright, so we're in.
He's not moving unless I give him a reason.
Electronic parts on the table. Okay, we're crafting something. We're crafting a lure. Ooh.
Alright. Take the bait.
We're going.
Probably.
Hey, you.
Oh, I gotta go through it.
This is
Yeah, you, come
bullshit,
here.
man. You ain't got no probable cause.
Suffers from night terrors.
Hey, man, look, I got my tickets right here.
No, keep your hands where I can see
Hey,
them.
this is bullshit. Jay didn't do nothing wrong.
Get back.
Knitting enthusiast.
You're viceroys, aren't you?
That ain't illegal, right?
Don't get smart. How did you two afford VIP tickets?
Pilot.
Makes
Oh,
more than you
I can hack
do.
him?
Yeah?
Hey, yo,
What?
Didi, calm down, all right? Don't give him...
Oh, I got some bank account
Something
info.
tells me if we run you shit stains through the system, we'll come up with plenty we can use. I need to see ID. Both of you.
Well, I ain't showing shit. Hey, y'all filming this? I want to see this motherfucker online.
Fine. I don't need ID. I'd ask you to smile, but it works better.
Return from Thailand.
Hey, man. I did not give you permission to take my picture.
Go. Jerome
Let's go.
Richards. Looks like
Oh, dude. No, 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 no. Oh, ATM. Got dude's money. Kind of wrong, but it's okay.
Bad boy.
Cover.
They're about to lock this whole place down. I'm stuck unless we create a major distraction. I want to cut the power and slip past them.
To the whole stadium? I thought you wanted to keep the vigilante out of the news. Everything's connected to the CTOS with a serious firewall.
Right now, I need to get out of the stadium. Can you find me the nearest access point?
In the next room. But you'll need to find someone with security clearance.
Security guard should have access. With all these cops, there's gotta be one around.
Access. Where's that dude? Nothing.
Hey, you Alan? Yeah, I am. You got an evacuation plan, right?
Of course we do.
Good, we need to get moving on it.
We're not gonna evacuate 40,000 people so we can play cowboys and Indians. But you got an isolated incident in the basement, we can close the basement. I got no problem with that.
This whole place is about to fill up with Chicago PD. That's gonna cause a panic. We need to shut the game down and get people out of here safely.
Oh, shut it down, eh?
Yeah.
That'll do it.
I can't make that call.
Well, then call somebody who can make that call, please.
Okay, hang on. Yeah, get me Barry. Well, tell him to call me ASAP. It's an emergency.
Oh, I gotta
How bad are things down there?
Yeah, we don't know yet. We're dealing with a crime scene, though.
go back in.
Coroner's on his way.
Why this gotta happen on my watch? Jesus.
Okay. I gotta go while they. Fluent in 3 languages.
Whoa!
Where are you, Jordy?
What? Gone. I'm allergic to cops, so's Maurice, but don't worry, I left you a present. Friend of a friend deals in pre-owned cars. Got a real beauty waiting for you in the garage across the street. Take it or leave it, I don't care. Gotta go.
What the hell is that? Better not be out for long.
Jesus, it's the entire stadium.
Participates in zombie walks. Recently attended a funeral.
I never seen anything like this.
Extra Republican.
Oh, I got money on this game. Are you kidding me? I'll tell you what, it's a terrorist attack. At a playoff game?
Just saw a bunch of cops fly by.
Advocate of human cloning.
Jesus, it's the entire stadium. Can you believe this? No lights, no nothing. I never seen anything like this.
Are you kidding me?
I'll tell you what, it's a terrorist attack.
I got something
At a playoff game? That's terrorist.
No way. The power's everywhere. Right in the middle of the game.
What the hell did that?
Nice.
How can a whole stadium lose power right while the game's on? Is it over now? It's the entire stadium. Can you believe?
Check under the... Ah, fuck. I lost him.
Leave the police.
Squad, we're on station and still searching for a suspect.
Is that cool?
That punk can't hide from us forever.
R2 accelerate, L2 brake, handbrake, look behind you, change cameras. Drive crazy now.
Squad, we're on station and still searching for the suspect.
Is there a certain place I'm supposed to be going? Is there a map? Pretty big map. Goodness. At least something to do over there.
Anybody check under the overpass yet?
Go right. Boom.
I needed this bad. Finally got the goddamn trigger, man. Just need to break through. How? Push Maury's hard. Torture's not gonna work on this guy, so I need to get inside his head. The guilt is eating him up. I'll give him a couple of days. I bet he'll start reaching out.
Oh, you can fast travel to your hideout? Good. Explode. Explode and stuff. Alright, so there's my hideout. Is there a way to get in there? Oh, I could trip the alarm on that car? A lot of, Alright, so my hideout is a hotel. Park here.
These guys. I heard stories, man, that like nothing you ever seen before. You gotta walk away from this, man.
Why are you sitting here? He's coming, right? Not like last time. Jackson, I did invite him. It's been so long. Are you sure you called the right number? Honey, your uncle's a different kind of person. It doesn't mean he doesn't love us.
I trust our info in finding Maurice was correct. We've gained access to the CTOS backdoor while the police were being distracted by you. Since we both win in this, we'll share what we have. That backdoor allows you some access to the CTOS network. I'm still working on something bigger. Give me time.
Skill point. Hold to open or close gates and garage doors. Choose that one. I have to choose that one. Hold to raise or lower city. Square while the blue diamond flashes to take out vehicles. And stuff. Disable helicopters. And disable helicopters. Hold to open or close city bridges. Hold to overload steam pipes beneath. It's to do explosions. To start and stop L trains and escape your enemies. That one's pretty good. Overload transformers. Well, that would be. Disrupt enemy comms. Hack. To stun him, send him feedback. That'd be pretty good. Adds an additional battery slot. That's actually probably the best one to get off at the bat. Additional battery slots to do more hacking. And then, of course, more money with ATM. Or you can get, automatically get the civilians and show. Then we have combat. Increase weapon speed. Rate of fire, shotgun. Scopes. R3 to start and stop combat focus. Ooh, I need focus. Okay, that might be the first one. Increase focus duration, of course. Sprinting has been... That was not too bad. What's this one? Increase. Alright, so I have focus. I have 5 skill points to do. Decreases weapon recoil. And driving. Lure. Simple electronic device that can use to distract your enemies. That'd be pretty good one. Jam comms. Very popular app. What do jam comms do? Guaranteed to scramble any cop scans. The frag. Okay. IED explosives? Oh my goodness. And then this one is pill that provides massive instant recovery of focus. Very popular app. Interrupting phone calls is just a start. Guaranteeing to scramble all cops. Driving. Disables vehicles' alarms and unlocks doors. Okay. So combat, we need focus. We definitely need focus. I don't care about that. Crafted items, we can do jam comms and blackouts. Alright, so let's do jam comms. And we need driving. L-train, bridges, or blockers. I think I'm gonna go with extra battery. And let's go with probably blockers. Right? Or steady aim.